first order of the day. We've got a McDonald's. This one is $6 going 2.5 miles.
Hey, good morning. Will you be using your mobile app today? Can I say?
Thank you. You know, at this point, we're just taking the worst of the worst just to be busy. We got a 7-Eleven pickup. I think this is alcohol. $4 going less than a mile.
Hello, good morning. Number? For you.
Oh, thank you so much. Appreciate it.
You're honest.
And there's that
So
one for
much,
you.
sweetie.
You have a good day.
Hey, happy Mother's Day.
Okay, that order was definitely a fluke. I think that's the right word. I definitely did not expect a $5 bill coming out of that one. Very generous. Thank you, thank you. And we got the next order right away. This one also might be a mistake. It's a shop and deliver for Home Depot. $10 going 6 miles, one item. Okay, I think I saw an employee over here, so this might be a lot easier than expected. Only shopping for one thing. Do you know where this would be by any chance?
Oh yeah, I do.
Yeah.
Actually, at the very front door,
Uh-huh.
there's a hanging rack right there.
Yeah.
They're on the top.
Okay.
And then all those flowers on the rack, by the way, even not the hanging ones, are all the same flower, but they have pink ones and white ones and
Okay,
red
but
ones.
they're all the same.
So, yeah, and then there's some more. Actually, the hanging ones I've only seen over there.
Okay.
But if I
Those
find
ones right here?
Yeah,
in
right
front
at
of
the
the door?
very front, like
Okay.
the very front
Yeah,
display
yeah.
ones. Yeah.
Okay, perfect. Thank you.
Uh-huh.
They're all kind of dead though. That's the issue. They were all very, very sad looking. So they just said grab whatever as long as it's alive, because nothing says Happy Mother's Day like dead flowers, right? Also, we got the next order lined up right after this. It is another shop and deliver. I think this one's Safeway. It's like $10 going 5 miles. I think 6 items. I guess we're not doing it. I swear I accepted it. Did I not? Maybe I didn't. This is Black Rock Coffee, $6 going 2 miles. Yeah, there's a line, but I've seen worse, honestly. I'm number 5 now.
Here you are.
Thank you.
You have a great day.
You as well. Bit of a wait, but again, I've seen worse. So it's like 7:30 right now, and I'm already smelling grills firing up. That's how you know it's gonna be a slow day. I'm just waiting and waiting and waiting. Like at this point, I'll take anything. Give me a Wendy's. I would love a Wendy's order right now. Okay, finally got something. Not an amazing order, but it's something. We got a McDonald's, $5 going 1.5 miles.
40 feet, right?
Yeah.
Can I just come get some drink? Oh, thank you.
Got the next order right away. Again, not very good, but it's something. This is a different McDonald's. This one is $6 and change going 3.5 miles.
Sorry about that.
Okay, I know your app is late.
Sausage muffin. Sausage and biscuit.
One biscuit.
Sausage muffin.
I can write it in.
136.
That one's mine. Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
There you go.
We got a Taco Bell. This one is $7 going 3 miles. Thank you.
You're very welcome.
Loop.
Hello.
There you are.
Thank you.
Have a good one. Next order up, we've got a Chick-fil-A. This one's $10 going 5.5 miles. Thank you. All right, I'm just gonna call it here. I if I'm being honest, I am just exhausted right now because something big happened, and I will put that up right there. You know, I probably should have put 2 and 2 together when I brought in a female stray cat. But I'll be honest, I had no idea she was pregnant. So yeah, current time is 9:05. Current total, we are at 39. And I think I'm waiting on a couple Uber tips, so I'll throw up the total whenever they come in. So yeah, that's going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.